Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for every need. Today, we're taking a close look at one of the best Notecard holders on the market, the Filexec Products Wave 3 inches x5 index card case. If you're someone who uses note cards for study, work, or even creative purposes, this product could be exactly what you're looking for. The Filexec Wave index card case comes in a pack of 4, providing great value for your money. It's designed to hold standard 3x5 inch index cards, making it perfect for organizing your notes, business cards, or even recipes. One of the standout features of this card case is its tear and wear resistant poly material. This makes the case incredibly durable, so you can be sure it'll last through frequent use without showing signs of wear. Plus, the poly material ensures your cards stay safe from water or spills, so you don't have to worry about any accidental damage. Each case comes with 3 colorful gradient dividers, which is a great feature for organizing your cards into different categories. The bright and varied colors make it easy to differentiate between sections, whether you're using it for study materials or organizing business cards. The case is designed to keep your cards neat and easy to access, eliminating the hassle of digging through piles of cards to find what you need. The size of the Filexec index card case is just right, compact enough to fit in a drawer or on your desk, but spacious enough to hold a significant number of cards. It's perfect for anyone who likes to keep their notes organized, whether it's for work, study, or personal use. And, since it's available in an assorted color pack, you can choose which color suits your style or workspace. One thing to note is the easy-to-use design. The cases are lightweight, portable, and designed to fit comfortably in your hand or bag, making them a great option for anyone on the go. Whether you're studying for exams, working on a presentation, or managing a large collection of business cards, this case helps you stay organized and efficient. So, if you're looking for a reliable, durable, and stylish way to keep your note cards organized, the Filexec Products Wave 3 inches x5 index card case is the perfect solution. You can get the set of 4 for a very reasonable price, and it ships with ease, making it a fantastic addition to your office supplies. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the best products out there. See you in the next video.